Okay, let's cover mass this time. So, um, a milligram and a gram. Now we already know a milligram. We know that mil is 1,000 and a gram to a gram. So we know that just by the prefixes. What though would a milligram look like? The small, little ants that get into everything. And we're talking the small ants, okay, would be about a milligram, okay? And the ant we're talking about is not your tia, but una hormiga, okay? Now a gram. A gram would be the size of a paperclip, the larger paper clips, okay? So that would be the equivalent to a gram. All right. Now, how about a gram to a kilogram? Again, kilo is 1,000, so we know that just by the prefixes. And so with this, a kilogram would be equivalent to a textbook, all right? So how big a textbook is. All right, now, we have what's known as 1,000 kilograms is equal to a metric. And I'm going to put ton. Okay, a metric ton. All right, an ounce. An ounce is equivalent to what we call a pound. An ounce, you know those little medicine cups that you like if you're sick you have to pour the little medicine in, that would be equivalent to an ounce, like a little shot glass medicine cup. Inside of that little cup it marks the ounces. Okay, so that would give you a visual picture of an ounce. A pound would be a box of butter. 4 sticks of butter is equal to 1 pound. So how many ounces can we get in that 1 pound of butter or box of butter? And we get 16. All right, a pound to ton. So these first 3, again, are all the metric system. This is part of the English system. And so 2,000 pounds is equal to 1 ton. Now, what looks like a ton? Well, un voce, like a small Volkswagen Bug, okay, is equal to a pound, or a ton, sorry. All right, now, this one we're going to convert a pound, so 1 pound of butter, to 1 kilogram. Now remember, the pound is 4 sticks of butter, and a kilogram is going to be the textbook. So how many sort of boxes of butter can we get into a textbook? Well, it's 2.2, okay? And now you're gonna do one more over here on the side. I'm gonna put it down below just because I've ran out of space here. And we're gonna do what's known as a pound to stone. And this one's a really weird one, I realize. Okay, we typically don't use this, but it is still used today for wool. And so when they measure wool, they actually use a stone. And that stone, again, sort of like the hands in measuring a horse. So the wool ends up coming from sheep. They use this to measure the wool from sheep, and it's 14 pounds equals 1 stone. So they now have stone rocks, if you would, that they use to measure to figure out exactly how much wool they are getting.